Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the general characters of the 6th A group elements, part 2nd, chemistry 2nd year, English medium. Today discuss about the general characters of the 6th A group elements, that is the atomicity. In first class already discussed the general characters of the physical state and metallic nature and non-metallic nature, atomic radius, electronegativity and electropositivity and electron affinity. Remaining another one, atomicity. What is atomicity? The number of atoms are present in the molecule, that is also called as atomicity. The number of atoms present in a molecule is called atomicity. For example, O2 is the one molecule. Here is the O2 is the one molecule, exists two atoms. That is also known as a number of atoms are two oxygen atoms. That is also known as a diatomic nature. Diatomic nature. In O2 is the one molecule, exists only two oxygen atom, so it is also known as a diatomic nature. Remaining sulfur, selenium and tellurium, three elements consist the octaatomic nature. Octaatomic nature, that is also write that S8, Se8, Te8. In S8, Se8, Te8, sulfur 8, selenium Se8, tellurium Te8 is the one molecule, exists only 8 atoms. That is also known as a octaatomic molecule. Octa means that the 8 atoms are present in each one molecule. That is also known as a Se8, Se8, Te8. That is exist only 8 atoms are present in the molecule. That is also known as a octaatomic molecule. Remaining polonium. Polonium is the only one molecule. That is also known as a monoatomic molecule. Mono means that the only single, only one. That is exist only monoatomic molecule. In 6A group elements, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, 5 elements are present in 6A group elements. Those elements are exist different atomic natures. That is also known as a diatomic molecule and octaatomic molecule and monoatomic molecule. Those are the first one. Oxygen exists only diatomic molecule. Here is the oxygen double bond oxygen, that is also known as a diatomic molecule. The oxygen bonding with the double bonds, that is also known as a stable compound due to the paramagnetic nature. Next, remaining sulfur, selenium, tellurium is the exist only octaatomic molecule. In S8 only molecule, S8 molecule consists only 8 atoms of the sulfur, remaining 8 atoms of the selenium. Next, 8 atoms are the telluriums, exist in Se8, Te8 molecule. That's have a 8 atoms are present in the different molecule. That is also known as a Se8, Se8, Te8. Those three elements, three molecules having a Fokker ring structures or crown structure, that is also known as a crown structure. S8 exist the 8 atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 sulfur atoms are present in the S8 molecule. That is also known as a S8 structure is the crown structure. Crown structure or Fokker ring structure. In bond angle consider S, consider 105 degrees. and bond length, sulfur bond length is the 2.12 angstroms. Remaining polonium is the only one molecule, exists only one atom, that is also known as a monoatomic molecule. That is the different atomicity of the in 6A group elements. The number of atoms are present in a molecule is called atomicity. In 6A group elements, oxygen exists a diatomic molecule. Di means that the only two oxygen atoms are present, that is also known as a diatomic molecule. Remaining sulfur, selenium, tellurium, 3 elements has a octaatomic molecule. Octa means that the 8 atoms are present, that is also known as a octaatomic molecule. Remaining last one is the polonium, is the only one atoms present in the one molecule, that is also known as a monoatomic molecule of the polonium. That is the atomicity of the different elements of the oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium and polonium. That is the atomicity property of the different elements of the oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium elements. Those 3 elements have a crown structure or Fugger ring structure. Here is the S8 molecule, exists the sulfur 8. Sulfur atoms are 8 atoms are present in the crown structure, that is also known as a Fugger ring structure or crown structure. That is the S8 structure or Se8 or T8 structure of the sulfur 8. Remaining another one, oxidation states. Oxidation state, the common oxidation states of the those elements are -2, +2, +4, +6 oxidation states are present in 6A group elements. The common oxidation states are those elements are -2, +2, +4 and +6 oxidation states are present in 6A group elements. Next another one, oxygen exhibit -2, -1, -of, 0 and +1 and +2 oxidation states. Here is the oxygen oxidation states are starting with -2 to +2. That is also write that -2, -1, of, 0, +1, +2 oxidation states. Next another one, oxygen can exhibit positive oxidation states in fluorides. Here is the oxygen exhibit positive oxidation state, that is also write that positive nature plus the positive oxidation natures of the only fluorides. For example, O2F2. In O2F2, oxygen oxidation stability, here is the +1 oxidation state. Remaining another one is the OF2. OF2 in oxygen oxidation state is the +2 oxidation states. Remaining here is the oxygen does not exist the +4, +6 oxidation state due to the presence of the absence of the d orbital, vacant d orbital in oxidation state. Because of here is the oxygen electron configuration, here is the 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Only here is the presence of the s orbital and present p orbital. Remaining p orbital, d orbital is the empty orbitals. So here is the oxygen does not exist the d orbital, so it cannot exist the +4, +6 oxidation stability. Remaining in higher oxidation states of the +4 and +6, that is the sulfur, selenium and tellurium and polonium elements are exist the +4 and +6 oxidation state. Because of in higher oxidation state, that is also known as a first exist state and second exist state, elements of the sulfur, selenium and polonium consist the +4 and +6 oxidation states of excited state of first one and second one. Here is the polonium does not exist the +6 oxidation state. remaining of the plus 4. Here is the polonium exists the plus 4 oxidation stability is the more because of inner to pair effect. That is also known as a number of NH2 electrons are non-participation of the chemical bond. That is also known as a inner to pair effect. In inner to pair effect, polonium exists the plus 4 oxidation stability is the more and the plus 6 oxidation stability is the less. That is the due to the presence of the inner to pair effect. That is also known as a common oxidation states of the 6A group elements. Next another one, allotropy. What is the meaning of the allotropy? The phenomenon of the existence of the more than physical forms of the elements and having a same chemical property, it is also known as a allotropy. The phenomenon of the elements, the phenomenon of the existence of elements having more than physical forms and having a same chemical property, that is also known as a allotropy. For example, in 6A group elements, different elements are present. For example, oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium and polonium. The oxygen and sulfur is the non-metals and selenium, tellurium is the metallides and polonium also known as a metal. Those elements are existed in different physical properties or different physical forms and having a same chemical property. The outermost valence electron configuration NH2 NP4, that is the same chemical property NH2 NP4 electron configuration, remaining more than physical forms and having a same chemical property, that is also known as a allotropy. The phenomenon of the elements existence of more than physical forms and having a same chemical property, it is also known as a allotropy. In 6A group elements, the first element is the oxygen. Oxygen, it has a two allotropic forms. That is the first one is the O2 and O3. O2 also known as a oxygen and O3 also known as a ozone. Here is the first form of oxygen, that is also known as a O2 form. It is also write that O2. It is also called as oxygen. Oxygen is the diatomic molecule. Diatomic. Here is the two atoms are present in one molecule, that is also known as a diatomic molecule and having a paramagnetic nature due to the presence of two unpaired electron in O2. Two unpaired electron in O2. For example, here is the oxygen atomic number 8, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. That is also write that p orbital. Here is the px and py and pz orbital. It exists 4 electron 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is the O2 is the diatomic molecule and paramagnetic nature. Due to the presence of two unpaired electrons, here is the 1 and 2. 2 is the unpaired electrons in the O2 molecule. That is also known as a more stable of the O2. Remaining another one, O3 is the triatomic molecule. Triatomic molecule and have a angular structure, that is also write that here is the O double bond O remaining single bond, that exists as a angular structure of O3. O3 also known as a triatomic and angular structure, that is also known as a instability. That is the allotropic form of the oxygen. Remaining second one is the sulfur. Sulfur has a more than physical forms of the allotropic form of the sulfur nature. That is also first one is the alpha rhombic sulfur, beta monoclinic sulfur, gamma monoclinic sulfur and plastic sulfur, and the last one is the angel sulfur. Here is the first one at room temperature, alpha rhombic sulfur. Alpha rhombic sulfur heated with the 368.5 kelvins, then turn to beta monoclinic sulfur at equilibrium constant, that is the 368.5 Kelvin temperature. It is equilibrium constant, that is also write that It is also called as a transition temperature. This temperature also called as a transition temperature because of alpha form converted to beta form and beta form converted to the alpha form. That is the temperature of 368.5 Kelvin temperature at equilibrium constant. That is also known as a transition temperature. Remaining another one, a beta monoclinic sulfur heating with the high temperature, then converted to the gamma monoclinic sulfur. That is the allotropic form of the sulfur. Next one, selenium. Here is the selenium exists the two form of the selenide. That is also known as a metal selenide and non-metal selenide. Next one, polonium existed only crystal nature of the allotropy forms, and polonium also existed only one allotropy form. That is also allotropic form of the 6A group elements. In 6A group elements, all elements are exist the allotropic forms. That is the first one. Oxygen is the has a two allotropic forms, that is the O2 and O3. Remaining sulfur more than have the physical forms, and selenium exist the two physical forms, that is the metal and non-metals. Tellurium is the only crystals nature of the allotropic forms, and polonium is the only one metal form of the allotropic form of in 6A group elements. Next, another one, physical properties and general properties of the 6A group elements. Remaining another one, chemical properties of the 6A group elements. That is the first one, hydrates. All 6A group elements combining are treated with the hydrogen to form of a H2E formula. That is also write that H2E formula type of hydrates. For example, H2O, next one H2S, next one H2SE, next one H2TE, next one H2PO. That is also known as a hydrates nature. In hydrates nature, top to bottom decreases because of atomic radius increases and bond length also increases. So stability, that is the bond of hydrogen and E, that is the bond length also top to bottom increases. Hydrogen to E also known as a 6A group element, bond length also increases, and stability also a decreasing nature of the hydrides. That is the 6A group elements, general properties and chemical properties of the 6A group elements.